next person asked a question about the pneumatic tube system. And I know that that's something that our employees have talked about as a way to improve efficiencies in the hospital. Well, that tube system has been, go ahead.
Yeah, so I'll update you on that. So thank you for asking. So the pneumatic tube system, we've gotten sort of the infrastructure in place already. The piece that we don't have yet in place is the software. So we're working on getting the software in so that it can communicate with our system. And so for those of you that want to know what the pneumatic tube system is, we're always looking at ways to try to improve timeliness of care. So what this pneumatic tube system will do will allow us to, through this tube, bring medications from one location to another so that we don't have runners doing that, running back and forth. The other thing it'll allow us to do is send labs back and forth. So if you're in the emergency department, your labs can go right to the laboratory on a different floor. Same thing with medications. We can have them delivered right to the floor or right to the emergency department. So this is one of the things that I know has been discussed for a while now, but we're very happy that it's finally, we're finally putting it into place. Once we get the software connected, we're ready to go. So thank you for asking that question.
And our employees are very much behind this. I think it was a great suggestion on their behalf. Okay, then.